Hello guys, today video I am showing you how to cook uh, shrimp with the butter garlic. So I don't have other ingredients, so this is I will make this in my own version. So this one is 100 pesos, no? So me only and my mom can eat this one, no? We don't know if my nephew is going to eat this one. So this is the first time we eat this because actually we are allergy about this, but we try it, no? uh, sometimes is good, no? So let's make marinate this shrimp. Okay, okay guys, other people use the Sprite also, so I will use also to make it tasty. So let's marinate it. Let's put here and keep it a little, you know, this one. So it's a Sprite, marinate with the Sprite, no? So not too much because, you know, it's only a little, no? I keep the little of shrimp, no, for the next day. Okay, so hello guys. Again we will cook the garlic shrimp, no, and this is my version. So let's do it, and I will show you the ingredients of the shrimp, no. I will show there the shrimp, the onion spring, the butter. I'm sorry because I don't have butter, no. Oy. And the chili, and of course a lot of garlic, no, and salt and sugar and black pepper, so ground. So that's the ingredients. So let's begin now. So hi guys again. We will start now because it's the night is so much and everybody is hungry. Okay guys, we will set the camera. I set the camera there, and let's open the gas and work begin, cooking begin. So maybe guys you know everything how to cook this one, so this is my version, no. I don't have so much butter, so I can have use the little oil. So before anything else, I want to put this one first, no? Because I'm going to fry some of garlic, no. So garlic, I will use the half of the garlic. Okay, so this is it. We will make this one crunchy first, so we can put this later to the top of the shrimp to to see the presentable product. See, I know how to say presentable. Okay, okay. So I know let's take this long time to fry this, so let's wait it. So guys, this is it now. It's a crunchy garlic, right? So okay, let's try to remove this and put this in the one side of plate. So guys, that's empty now, and we will start again. The next step. So there is an oil and still have little, and we will put this butter. I know this butter is not enough. It's a short, no, it's small, but you know, uh, we will add only the oil, no, cooking oil. So not an oil in the truck, okay, cooking oil. So here, ay shit, why my gas is not open? Guys, by mistake I don't open the gas, so that's why it's long time to wait. Oh my god. So let's add the left garlic, no? Oh, slowly, slowly. So this is the problem of the butter, no? Very easy to get red. So wow. And now we proceed to the salt. Okay, salt. Woohoo! Okay, so that's the salt. And next is, let's proceed to the black pepper. Woohoo! Okay, so it looks like dark now, and I don't know what to do right now. Just joke. Wait. So guys, this is now, let's put the marinated. This is the Sprite, no? Very nice smells. So we will put the another salt and sugar there. Let's finish it. And see, let's wait for the boiled, no? Boiling. And so guys, this is now, let's put the soy sauce because I don't have other ingredients, so need to balance the taste. Okay, so that's next step is we will put this one so we can, wow, it's going to boil it. There is one sauce. So let's wait the, sweet. Let's wait of this, no, to absorb everything and try to test it. So it looks like yummy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, about 12 pieces. We can finish this. Guys, we will put the seasoning, no? So it's make little only, to make only like taste good, no? Because without seasoning, I don't know if can balance, no? So let's wait. Makos, let's make it and upside down. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is a small shrimp, no? But good, no? You know guys, I am getting some taro leaves in the river today. But good. The man who sell this one is coming, so we don't cook the taro leaves, and this one is I am cooking. Guys, now it's here, no, little little water. So let's wait and wait until we absorb. I finish the water. No? I was getting this one because this one is uric acid. It's make your stomach pain. The bubbles. It's make you uric acid. This is this one, the bubbles. Wow. Very nice now. The smell is nice because of the butter and the garlic. And also, the taste is really nice because of the Sprite and the ingredients. So, let's wait another 5 minutes. So guys, this is it. It's already absorbed. And let's add this one. Wow. See? Wow. And I think this one is so very spicy. So let's get now. So guys, this is it now. And let's additional this garlic, no? So it's crunchy around there. That's how presentable, because you said it's a butter garlic, so meaning so much garlic, no? Yummy. So let's go to my mom house and eat this one. I don't know what's their comments again to me. Okay, wait. This is our dinner. So my gosh, he doesn't like to eat. Look, oh, he's a very innocent man. Hey guys. Kaon na da. He doesn't like this one to food. Easy little boy. Naman eating this. Guys, it's really tasty, but the little man doesn't like it. He's so arty.
Dumidyo lang.
He tried it and he said it's a little tasty.
Ito kinakanaan ng imo ka no.
I also nagade the workout show.
Guys, if you are eating this one, you need to use your hands. No? I mean, you need to use your... No need to use the spoon and fork. Just remove this.
Pagbuas pagka-pulis ya.
I don't have battery. So, I'm done now, guys. I'm done.
Ano ni siya nga pan? Nga katumbal pan?
So, that's it. No?
Paitan?
So, look at my nephew. He doesn't like to eat. And that's what me and my mom eating. So, thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. My battery is almost dying. That's why it's dark. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.